I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming required items: GSTIN, the currently registered mobile, and either DSC or access to receive OTP on that number. Once ready, open the GSD portal and choose Login. Enter your GSTIN and password. If your account uses DSC, plug in the token now and select the digital signature option. If OTP is needed, request it and make sure you can retrieve it. These steps authenticate you and move immediately into the mobile update workflow. Once logged in, go to Profile, then My Profile, and open the Communication section to edit your mobile number. Enter the new number carefully and choose your verification method: OTP to the old or new number, or DSC authentication. If the portal asks for supporting documents, upload a scanned ID or proof promptly. This speeds approval. Make sure to double-check the digits. Mistakes will stall verification. After review, submit the change request to trigger verification on the chosen channel. After submission, complete the verification step. Enter the OTP received or sign with DSC to confirm the new number. Once verified, note the ARN or acknowledgement and monitor My Applications for status updates. Processing typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to clear browser cache and retry if the portal stalls. If OTP fails repeatedly, switch to DSC or contact the GSD help desk with your ARN and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.